If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to make realistic face swap videos on iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. Face swap technology is more than just face swapping. With Reface's Face Swap, your selfie is mapped onto another face in an eerily realistic way, with convincing facial expressions and movements that truly look like you. Face Swap is a free app. You can use this face changer to see what it's like to have your face in starring roles, famous videos, and more. How do we do it? It is very easy and simple, and yet the results are absolutely astonishing. Reface is the top-rated face swap app. Reface app is also advanced, fun and well-known worldwide. Combined with a daily updated wealth of source videos, GIFs, photos, and pictures, you can make ridiculously realistic face swap videos and GIFs with just a single selfie. Reface will absolutely floor you as you morph your face, switch it with celebrities, and become a new person in popular TV and movie clips. Be a wizard or a pop star. Become a celebrity look-alike by swapping your face with trending movie and TV clips, or have fun and replace your face with memes using our face editor and face morphing technology. As people all over the world enjoy Reface as a hilarious meme maker, I provided a link below for your convenience. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.